السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أخيارتا وإد السلام دمانتين maanta waxaan u socdaa special person qof aad iyo weyn qiimo badan insha allah kaalay soo raaca kaalay isla aragna qofkaas the new getting close okay waa soo galay special person my favorite person aan u soo imaaday yeah very good ismaya that's my favorite person I said I'm gonna go see my favorite person
Then the vinyl will come about this.
the vinyl you bought the vinyl
Yeah, it's downstairs.
this one ku socdo jeeda
Yeah. And these things, right? This that broke. I will just patch it with that. Or it is.
Really?
See how it's now that I lifted everything? How this is low? So this excess will be cut. This is all gonna be cut.
I like your new gloves
Yeah. You know here?
albaabka ku soo bixiyo soo dhismaha
This
daraadis
is where I'm gonna fit. And this other portion in is gonna be a visible that for that vinyl plank just for this one room. It's really good quality. I can show
it's
you.
a nice one
This is gonna be across the doors. You know, doorstep.
yeah
This little board.
it's a nice one nice quality
It's gonna be the doorstep, right? The
okay.
closet and you know how much this thingy?
How much?
$11.
Oh.
Just this. But let me take.
guriga hoos okay waaye dhismaha kor u socda
Install under.
waxa ku furaya waxa waaye floorka the new flooring sus arkay wow you like that color
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
colorkaana just gareysatay
Yeah. It's very similar.
similar to this one
Very similar. Even the shade.
really
Yeah, but it has like waves.
it have a weight yeah
Yeah.
okay you are a man with a lot of talent yeah guri dhiso xataa gaariga hadii la sameynayo guriga hadii la dhisaayo
Yeah.
masha allah
So
flooringka
you see
waa
when
good
you walk, touch